Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. This is JV and Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Department of Homeopathic Repertory, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. This is my session number 13. Today's topic is totality of the symptoms. As per the Dr. Hahnemann, totality implies not merely a numerical aggregate of all the symptoms, but it relates to the synthetic comprehension of a concrete individual picture of the patient through logical combination of general, particular, distinctive, individualizing, peculiar symptom, strange, rare, and uncommon symptom as manifested by the patient. In aphorism number 7, the totality of the symptom is outwardly reflected picture of the internal essence of the disease, that is of the affection of the vital force. It must be the sole means where the disease can be make known that what remedy it requires, the only thing that determine the choice of the most appropriate remedy. In aphorism number 18, the totality of the symptoms must be sole guide to direct in the choice of remedy. In aphorism number 70, totality is nothing but the essence of the medicine to select the similar remedy and to facilitate a cure. Totality of the symptom as per the Bonninghausen, it is completed by the complete symptom with 4 component, that is location, sensation, modality, and the concomitant. He first conceived the idea of clinical completing the symptom partly by analogy and partly by observation of curative effect. He discovered modality and concomitant symptom first. Bonninghausen concept of totality. The first concept is quiz, second quid, UB, cubus auxilis, cur, equimado, and quendo. The main meaning of quiz: changing in personality and temperament. Quid, disease. UB, seat of disease. Cubus auxilis, concomitant. Cure, prima cause. Commado, modality, and the time factor, quendo. According to Kant, general symptoms, particular and common are the common symptoms are the symptoms. Those are required for the totality of the symptom. जब हम कैंट के अकॉर्डिंग टोटलिटी ऑफ द सिम्टम बनाते हैं तो उसमें हमें जनरल सिम्टम, जनरल को 2 में डिवाइड किया था, फिजिकल एंड मेंटल जनरल, फिर पर्टिकुलर, देन द कॉमन सिम्टम. According to Dr. H. A. Robert, the totality is a concrete form which the symptom take when they are logically related to each other and stand forth an individuality recognizable by anyone who is familiar with the symptomatic form and lineaments of the drug and disease. This is the concept of Boger. To get the symptom picture, let the patient to tell his own story, amplified the questionnaire in a such way that cause and course of the sickness and modifiers of the sickness can be elicited. It means according to Boger, सबसे पहले तो जो pathological generals है, these symptoms are the more important symptom, और उसके बाद आता है cause and उसके course of sickness, जो कि सारा का सारा clinically आपको मिलेगा. उसके modified factor कौन कौन से है sickness के, that is also important as per the Boger. Boger also given the important point for the case taking and the for totality of the symptom. First is change in personality and the temperament. These are given by the pathological symptoms. Peculiarities of the disease, कोई peculiar है, keynote symptom हो तो. The seat of disease, जो cause है disease का, वो that is more important. Concomitant symptom, cause, modality, and time. All 7 factors are more important if you are taking the case as per the Bonninghausen or Boger guidance. So totality of the symptom is completed now. My reference book are the Essential of Repertorization by the Shashikant Tiwari and the Comprehensive Study of Organon by Nagendra Babu. Totality of the symptom is the chapter of Organon of Medicine as well as of the repertory. In both the subject, this topic is more important. Thank you. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital version. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it.